Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another vlog. So I wanted to do a separate vlog for our day trip. We're going to Charlotte for a date. You know, here's Adrian here. We're both in black. I got on this two-piece set from Amazon. I'm gonna insert it right here. It's so cute. Now it's the same one as the orange one that I showed you guys in my monochromatic video, but the orange one was polyester, so it clung to everything. This one is cotton, so it's I don't know, it's not as clingy. It looks really good. I love it. And if you're 6 feet tall like me, it's very long as well, and if you're shorter, it's gonna drag on the ground for you. But I really like this. And I have on Sensational UD2. This is my second time wearing it. My lashes, these are new from Amazon here. This is my first time wearing these. They're so cute. I like lashes to be longer, not too long, not like the 25mm. I think those are too long, but I don't know how long these are, but I like the little gaps it has in there. Very pretty. So we're going to Charlotte. We're gonna go to Ikea. I think we're going to the Container Store. Are we?
Yeah, that could be optional.
I don't know.
I just figured you like it because you do planning.
And you too, because you got, you got sticker inventory and stuff.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so, and then we're gonna find a restaurant, and I think we're gonna end it with a plant store. I think so, because Adrian is a plant daddy. He likes plants way more than I do. Ooh, come on, Tesla. She looked distraught.
Tesla got her kidnapped. Robot.
I think they look all right. They kind of look like skulls to me, like real smooth, and I don't know.
T-shape.
Yeah, but we're gonna probably end it with the plant store. We boarded Coda overnight so we could spend some time together, because we need some time, just us, okay? And I'm excited to be out. I'm just excited. Spring has been, I don't know, it's night and day from winter, because I, like, mentally, winter messes me up. January, February, anytime after Christmas is just, it just ain't it. But as soon as the weather broke, it's like, I just feel energized and so happy. So, yeah. And then May is coming up. Well, it's probably already May when this video is going up in May. That's my birthday month, my sister's birthday. We both are Taurus, and then it's Mother's Day. It's just back-to-back stuff in May. So yeah, what's going on with you?
Nothing, chilling.
I don't even know what I want to do for my birthday.
Revitalized, you know what I'm saying?
You feel revitalized too?
That's my birthday month. It's my sister's birthday month.
Adrian is a Leo. I don't think he acts like a Leo though. He's, from what I know, what they say Leos can be like, what, arrogant? That's what I heard. I don't think he act like that.
Super arrogant.
No, you ain't. I don't think you are. It's probably because he's August 1st, which is, you know, it's probably like you're on the cusp of being a Cancer. I don't know. I'm not an expert at astrology and all that. I just know I'm Taurus gang, and he's a Leo. My mama is really into like astrology and stuff. I think it's interesting. I do think a lot of the traits and stuff they say about Taurus is true, as far as like being stubborn, we like to eat and all that. That's definitely me. Definitely me. We'll probably pick up again when we start like doing stuff. So we'll see you guys soon. Ooh, I like this here.
White.
Okay. You paint your room over?
No, I'm just saying it's
We already have this chair here in yellow at the house. We bought it 2 years ago. So they're both in Adrian's office now. That's a nice lamp. That's only $50, $60.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That's good. I like these shelves too. You might need to get floating shelves over here. That's so nice. I don't think we would like these kind of handles though. They look kind of, I don't know. I don't think that's farmhouse. It's pretty modern. I don't know what style it is. Maybe it is rustic. I do like this kind of stuff for like that kind of artwork.
Yeah, you know that when I said you it was just butts.
Butts?
But it was out of
it was this kind of
It's that same style, but it was just vegetables out of butts.
Oh. Okay. I'm here for it. Same section. We've been here, I don't know, 30 minutes? 35? 40? I don't know. We're kind of tired up in here. Ikea will wear you out. We barely bought anything. But I know he came here for some frames because they got good prices on frames.
I mean, we didn't drive up here for frames.
No. Yeah. With a pot that has tall feet on it. Adrian got a money tree. He's been looking for one for a long time.
Good thing this is at the end.
Yeah, we tired, y'all. What you had? Oh, you being a gentleman.
What up, y'all? We're about to go to
Emmy Square
Pizza.
It's cute over here.
Yes.
This was way easier to find a parking spot than the other location. Day trip to Charlotte. It is 7:18, so we headed back to Spartanburg. You enjoyed yourself?
Yeah, it was fun.
That food, I had a good time. That food was really, really good. They had chopped cheese waffle fries. What? It was really, really good. So that was a cute day trip. Had a good time, so we're gonna go home and chill and relax. Maybe we might watch a movie.
Yeah, maybe watch Batman, watch Atlanta.
Atlanta probably gonna bring me down. I know it's gonna be some mess.
Right.
Yeah, we probably need to watch something more lighthearted.
Watch Golden Girls, Steve Harvey show.
Steve Harvey ain't streaming, is it? Cause I be wanting to watch Steve Harvey sometimes.
Let us know in the comments. Watching Steve Harvey show, who your favorite character?
My skin is glowing. This is the NARS Radiant Foundation. Oh, good. I don't even have a favorite character on Steve Harvey. Probably Cedric though.
Cedric's cool.
Cedric.
Lavita.
I like Lavita too.
She was asleep.
She was. They tried to do a compilation on Instagram. Who was his best wife? It was some other lady, Lavita and Tashina Arnold. Clearly it's Lavita to me. His best TV wife. Because Lavita was his girl on Steve Harvey. And then I don't know, I don't watch the show that Cedric and Pam or Tashina Arnold they're on together. And it's a third lady. I don't know her, so.
Yeah, I didn't know.
Yeah. Yeah. So, that's what we got going on.
Oh.
What?
Speaking of TV shows, who do you think the best TV mom is?
Hands down, you even gotta ask. It's Claire Huxtable. Claire Huxtable. Yeah, it's Claire Huxtable. I haven't watched Blackish before, so I don't know how good Tracy Ellis Ross is. I'm sure she's great on there, but like from the shows I've watched, Claire Huxtable is the best TV mom. She got the best scenes. Like she wasn't like a passive character, because you know, like Aunt Viv #2, she wasn't as involved as the first Aunt Viv. I don't know what's going on over there. What's going on over there? Is that water? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's spilling out. I thought it was raining. I don't think he even know that's happening. He need to get off the exit.
Oh, that man can't rain.
Is that a refrigerator? This man had a basketball goal on the back of his car, and all the water from the bottom of it was coming out. But yeah, who's your favorite mom?
Yeah, I agree with that. I'm trying to think, but yeah,
Claire Huxtable, the GOAT. Favorite TV dad?
Reginald Vale Johns.
Who is that?
Family Matters?
No.
No, I'm playing.
Oh, yeah. Carl Winslow?
Yeah, Carl. I feel like it's Uncle Phil, but even though technically Uncle Phil. I say Uncle Phil.
Uncle Phil. Wait, it was somebody else for me. I don't know if it's Uncle Phil though.
It ain't Cosby.
It sure is. No, it's not.
Okay, name your sitcoms then. Who you gonna say?
I don't think I have
Danny Tanner.
Oh, I did like Danny Tanner though. I ain't never gonna lie. I used to like Danny Tanner.
Yeah.
I used to watch Full House all the time. I don't know. I don't have a favorite dad. I feel like I do, but in this moment, I don't know who it is.
Like if you list all your sitcoms, okay, you got what? Step by Step.
I feel like everybody's saying Uncle Phil because of that J. Cole line. That's what I think. I don't have one. It probably before the stuff happened with him being a creep would have been Cliff Huxtable, but
yeah, 100%.
Because I loved that show. But
I ain't really watch it like that, so I can't say that.
Ooh, I love the Cosby Show, but now I can't bring myself to watch it because people argue down. I ain't trying to argue about that.
Tried to buy NBC. House, Family Matters, Fresh Prince, Hang with Mr. Cooper.
I used to watch that. My Wife and Kids. He was. He was really funny, but I was already. I don't know. I was actually still like in middle school, like pretty young when that show came out. So.
Everybody hates Chris.
Yeah.
Moesha, you Frank? You ain't rocking with Frank?
I'm not rocking with Frank. Working at Saturn. They out of business. Hey, we ain't take no selfie today. That's all right. We look cute.
Yeah, I just think as far as like most memorable dad role is Uncle Phil. It's Philip Banks.
I guess.
I don't know. Unless we blanking, let us know in the comments.
Yeah, we probably blanking, and I get home and I would be like, dang, I forgot about so and so. But really, growing up, I watched the Cosby Show a whole bunch. So, but I ain't doing that. Yeah, we might have to just give it to Uncle Phil.
Yeah, I'm really trying to think.
I'm blank, but the mom is Claire Huxtable.
Excuse me, I can't argue with that.
Yeah, but that's it.
I would say Janet Hubert, but you know what I'm saying. Longevity wise.
Yeah, the first Aunt Viv was really good too. I mean, I don't want to shade the second one, but you felt like she was a big character early on. The first Aunt Viv.
They wrote her and the stuff. I feel like they didn't
Yeah, she didn't get enough shine. She was very like.
Yeah, she played
more mild.
Too.
Yeah, she was not like a dominant person.
I told her that for us.
Like you know that dance episode?
That was her episode.
She killed that.
In the mall.
That was in the mall?
Trying to buy some Crocs. Yeah. Yeah, she was in the mall. And she did that little dance routine. And then back when malls was big.
Oh, the 80s and 90s.
They did dance tapes.
The mall is dead. I'm gonna say Amazon and the internet killed the mall.
R.I.P. Sears.
Cause the mall where we stay, it is dead. Oh my God, it's kind of sad.
Ain't nothing but shoe cleaning kiosks.
Yeah, the mall is dead. That's
the
rise and fall of the mall is just so interesting. But I understand it because the mall used to be marked up.
Oh, absolutely.
Like, and they caught up with them because people like, girl, I ain't paying that much. I'm going on Amazon.
$80 for the same shirt.
I'm going on Shein for a necklace. Here it costs $15 on Amazon. On Shein is $1. You're gonna have to wait 2 weeks though. Shein is cheap. I think I recently I bought some stuff from Shein for the first time in 2 years because I'm back on Shein, and I spent like $90 and I just got so much for that $90. It's stretched, but it's taken. I still don't have it. I placed that order probably 2 weeks ago. It's still not here, so that's the trade-off. With Amazon, they have similar stuff as Shein, but you get it in 2 days, so they charge you more for that.
That's what I was gonna say. I feel like more so than the price, like the convenience is what killed big box stores. Like, because if you had to be somewhere, you know, same day you could just go to the mall, look at it, pick it out. But now that you got Amazon and a lot of other places that do next day shipping or 2 day shipping, and it's still cheaper than you going to the mall, it's like ain't no reason to go to the mall.
The mall don't get me excited at all. At all. Yeah, I didn't like it when I was younger either. Like, in the early 2000s, the mall was still popping. I think it died in the last 10 years. Probably 10 years.
Probably 15.
Probably. You might be right. But it's just crazy how mall culture was just so huge. In the 80s and 90s. Like, when you watch Stranger Things, basically what season 2 was really based around the mall. Was it season 2 or season 3?
I think it's 3 last season.
Yeah, it was big around the mall. So it made the mall just look so fun.
Now you going there.
I be wanting to get out as soon as I go. Like, the last time I've been in the mall, I think it was when I got my ring resized or something. And I was just like, ew. Pretty much all the stores we had was closed.
Yeah, nothing.
What, nobody up in there, just people walking for exercise, not even shopping. Haywood Mall though is still popping because I went there recently. Haywood Mall in Greenville is still popping though. Not the one in Spartanburg. It is not. Yeah. You guys, anything else to say to the peoples?
Yeah, let us know who your favorite TV mom and TV dad is.
Yeah, leave that in the comments. I'll put that on the screen.
And let's build it. Don't
yeah, just don't even elaborate. Don't even call him that. Just call him call him Cliff because he is a fictional character.
Call him
yeah, but thank y'all for watching our day trip vlog to Charlotte. Yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.